Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul. I went to Aldi's and Walmart. This was supposed to be a fill-in grocery haul, but for some reason, you know, out of habit, I picked up everything that I usually get, minus a few things because we really don't need that. I'm coming toddler, but I spent $75 at. Okay, anyways, let's get into this grocery haul so I can go tend to that little girl. Okay guys, this is it. I was supposed to go get eggs, milk, cheese, and yogurt. And almost $200 later, and this is the mess. So we have applesauce. We have strawberry applesauce, the regular applesauce. I don't know why I keep buying these because the kids are not eating them. But it's just habit. We got some Fig Bar, vanilla cream cookies. See, I'm cutting down on the junk food. I told you guys I need to cut down, and I'm cutting down because I only got 2 things. Got some carrot because we already have some. I bought 1 cucumber because we have a bunch. So I got mandarin orange, peaches, and another mandarin orange. I was supposed to get 3. I don't know why I picked up a peach because my kiddos don't really like peach. Comment down below if your kids eat peach in the thing. I got 2 things of cheese. I got a ton of cheese. The sliced one. I got pepper jack. I love pepper jack. Colby jack. What's up with all the jacks? We have extra sharp cheddar. We have another thing of pepper jack. And then I have 1 in the fridge. So, yeah, I picked up a ton of cheese. I don't know why. And then another one. I told you guys I picked up a ton of cheese. That's the sharp cheddar. I have a problem. This is why I went to the store for deodorant for my husband. Got 2 things of bread because I already have 2. So I have to be careful because I need to use the old one before they go bad and not have the kids open those. We have bagel. So I went back to the mini bagels because, I don't know, it's just habit. So I got the plain, and then I got the cinnamon raisin. And then I have hot dogs. I got 2 things of hot dogs. And banana. Last week the bananas went bad because the kids weren't eating them. I find out my kids are not fan of bananas. They're not really fan of fruit. It's hard to get fruit in them. So the bananas went bad. They're in the refrigerator right now because I'm about to make this thing that my mother-in-law makes where she put the overripe bananas in flour and mix it up. And then fry it, and it's so good, so good, so good. So I'm either gonna make that or I'm gonna make banana bread. Either way, my banana is not going in the trash. And then I got just a few ripe ones just in case the kids want a banana to go to school, even though they're not eating them. I don't know what's with me in buying stuff that my children are not eating. I just don't get it. Fruit spin, cereal, magic treasure, ton of sugar, but it's okay. You know what I mean? I always say that. People always tend to want to hate me because I'm being honest. It has a lot of sugar in there. Do I really care? Not too much because my kids don't sit around eating sugar. They get a cup of cereal, their milk, and they're good to go. I got this because we just completed our deck, and I need to get some deck accessories to make the deck pretty, you know what I mean? So I got these. They're on clearance at Walmart. They were originally $37.99, and I got them for 19 bucks. And I couldn't spend. I wanted to get 2, but I couldn't wrap my mind around spending $40 on lights, so I just got 1. And that's probably one of the reasons why I went up to 90. I probably would have spent $70. I got some vanilla and chocolate pudding. The vanilla is somewhere here, yeah, right here. Kiddos love these, and I don't buy them. I only get 1 of each every single week. We have a ton of macaroni and cheese because the husband used a whole bunch yesterday and baked it. Like, who bakes macaroni and cheese out of a box? Like, but he did a whole ton, so I had to replenish macaroni and cheese. Like, I went crazy because I don't know how many boxes he used, but I know he used a lot because my husband feels like he needs to mass feed us when he cooks for us. So I don't know. We got some, so let's move that out the way. French vanilla. So I got these bananas at Aldi's, and then I thought, oh, I didn't have any ripe ones, so why not get some more ones that are already ripe from Walmart. So these were Aldi's, this is Walmart. A little bit more, a little less. I got some French vanilla for coffee. I got cayenne pepper because I hate eating these without cayenne pepper, and I'm out. So I got cayenne pepper. I got onion powder, love onion powder. And I got some garlic powder. I don't know why I got garlic powder because I have 2 things of these in the cupboard. But I did anyways. I don't know. It's habit. Red crushed pepper. Because even though since having kids, my taste buds or my taste for spicy food is not there like it used to be. I'm still kind of sensitive to spicy stuff. But I still love spicy food, even though I can't really eat it. Because every time I eat it, my mouth is just like on fire. And it never used to be like that until after I had kids, especially Maddie. I got some original vanilla low-fat yogurt, just in case I just want to put some stuff in the children's lunches and put sprinkles and stuff. And I don't have to use like the cups, little cups and stuff. So that's what I got. And then I got some chicken hot dog. Yes, chicken hot dog. This is what my family eats. This chicken hot dog. Then we have some jalapeno. I got these from Walmart because I forgot to pick them up at Aldi's. They're a little bit more, but it's fine. This was the jalapeno kettle chips. And then this is just the cheese puffs. So this week I didn't do too bad with the junk food. And then this is just your original potato chips. I got more corned beef because this is like a lifesaver for me now. Because, you know, if I forget to take something out because I'm busy trying to, you know, do projects around the house, I can easily throw this with rice and corn, and we have a meal. So I got 2 things of those. Even though I did promise you guys that I was going to make something for the kids' lunches out of this, I didn't. I don't know why. I got 60 large eggs from Walmart. These are the eggs that we use because it's just convenient, and it's like $4 for something for the price went up. Before it was much cheaper, but it went up. Of course, we have our all-time favorite over here. No, Madison, no. Ramen noodles. These are for when I don't feel like cooking. You know what I mean? I can send the kids to go make a noodle, and that's what that is for. I got a ton of ranch because, you know, for their veggies and cucumber and stuff like that, I do use a lot of ranch. So that's what that is for. We have some turkey. I love this turkey from Aldi's because you get a ton of them for $3 something, 1 pound. So I got the honey smoke, and then I have the oven roasted. I get this 2 pound bag of cheese from Walmart. I think it's like $4.99 or something like that. Such a good price. We got mandarin orange. I went to Walmart for these because I find that I love Halo over Cuties or any other brand. And they didn't have any more. They only had 2 bags of Halos, and that's my go-to thing is Halos. The kids go through these like none other, and I picked up this guy. I don't know what it is, but I hope it's just as good as the Halos, because I find the Halos a little bit bigger than the other ones, the other brands. So I prefer Halo. Then we have Jello snacks here, and then vegetable oil. We have our cheese cracker. We have our original round. I got 2 boxes. And then we have a ton of yogurt. These are 20-something cents at Aldi's. So that's where I get all my yogurts from. And I have a bunch down here because I like to, you know, give the kids that for their thing. So let me just go around here. So this is just there. And then we're going around here. And got wipes for Maddie. And then I got diaper for her, but she already took it. So I got wipes. And then I got 2 cases of water. Got trash bag. This is what I went for too. Trash bag and this. And I came home with a whole ton of stuff. We got trash bag and Ajax soap, dish soap, because the boys, that's their chore, is to do the dishes, and they go through soap like none other. Like, so I just got this big one from Walmart. And then last but not least, we have milk. And that's it, guys. That is everything that I got, I think. So I'm gonna go put this away, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.